questions being raised as far as the Congress party is concerned regarding the debate yesterday and the comments that were made by Amit Shah, the Home Minister. The Congress there asking for an apology regarding the remarks made on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Congress there submitting an adjournment notice. The Congress there claiming that Amit Shah insulted B.R. Ambedkar. Now, the BJP, of course, did hit back at the Congress party, saying that the Congress party is doing nothing but distorting facts and the truth is what is being said. So, in the ongoing winter session of the Parliament, the Congress party has intensified its demand for that discussion on Home Minister Amit Shah's recent remarks on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Manikam Tagore in the Lok Sabha has submitted an adjournment motion notice, and the Congress are criticizing Amit Shah over those remarks and demanding an apology. He did lash out Amit Shah on the Congress party and said that it had become a fashion for the party to take B.R. Ambedkar's name. We have my colleague Aishwarya joining us from right outside the Parliament. Aishwarya, so of course Lok Sabha there adjourned till 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and of course a lot of criticism coming about as far as the Home Minister is concerned and the remarks that were made during that debate yesterday.
Well, that's right. In fact, we just witnessed the India Alliance partners getting together and protesting against the Home Minister. They are clearly asking for an apology from Home Minister Amit Shah, both from inside the Parliament and outside as well, in a public domain as far as the remarks that he had made on Baba Sahab Ambedkar. It is the Congress MPs who were protesting inside the House as well, and therefore the reason perhaps now the Lok Sabha had been adjourned amid of the protest and the sloganeering by the Congress party. It is remember the yesterday's remarks where Bharatiya Janata Party had also stated that these are cheap tricks by the Congress party. They have edited the video of from the long 18-minute speech that Home Minister Amit Shah spoke on the Constitution. There's nothing wrong that Amit Shah has spoken. It's all facts, and whenever history is being told to the Congress party, it is the Congress party who do not want to listen to the real facts and real truth, and therefore the reason perhaps they are irked by the entire incident. Today we saw Mallikarjun Kharge to Rahul Gandhi to Priyanka Gandhi and all the India Alliance members protesting outside the Parliament as well, and they had stated that they will take this issue on the from the Parliament to the roads as well.
Right, so Rakas, in the Lok Sabha and the BJP versus the Congress when it comes to those comments that were made regarding B.R. Ambedkar, and the Law Minister there saying that the Congress disregards Ambedkar and that the Congress has no respect when it comes to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Let's just get you more details with my colleague Aishwarya.
Well, the leaders from the India Alliance is currently protesting at the Makar Dwar outside the new Parliament building. They are holding the posters of B.R. Ambedkar. There you can see in the visuals Manikam Tagore and Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress President. There are leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party to the CPI to the RJD, DMK, and all the members from the India Alliance over here holding the posters of Baba Sahab Ambedkar. It is the India Alliance members who had been asking from the Home Minister to apologize on the remarks that he had made yesterday on the floor of the House as far as Home Minister Amit Shah stating about Congress leaders saying that they always chant about Ambedkar, but it is the fact that had been put on the table as far as Home Minister Amit Shah is concerned. The Bharatiya Janata Party has been saying that these are cheap tricks of the Congress party. It's an edited video that they had posted and they want to propagate it, but the Congress certainly asking questions, and from the Congress part, the Congress asking questions, and also the Congress asking Home Minister Amit Shah to apologize on the entire incident. This is Aishwarya Jain, Point TV in Delhi.
Right, and of course, let's just talk about what really was said by Amit Shah as far as the debate was concerned as he concluded the debate on the Constitution. It is Amit Shah who's gone on to say that it is the Congress party that keeps taking the name of Dr. Ambedkar repeatedly, and that had you taken the name of the Almighty for the number of times you've uttered the name of Ambedkar, you would have witnessed heaven in the afterlife. You're glad, he's also gone on to say, Amit Shah said that his name, that you've been chanting his name and you should do it 100 times, and I will explain your real intention. And Ambedkar had to resign from the first cabinet formed after independence as he was not satisfied with the way backward communities were treated. He was dissatisfied with India's foreign policy and Article 370. He was assured that something would be done about it and he had to resign as the assurance did not bear fruit. But my colleague Aishwarya Jain spoke with Congress MP Manikam Tagore. Let's listen into what he had to say.
Joining with me is Manikam Tagore, Congress MP. Sir, what's your response to the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders who are saying that it's a cheap tricks? Kiran Rijiju tweeted and stated that these are cheap tricks by the Congress Party. They have edited the video of Amit Shah. It was long 80-minute speech and he has just put out the facts.
Oh, Kiran ji just got the cheap tricks now. When Baba Saheb Ambedkar is insulted, it becomes cheap tricks for him. This is the mindset of a Manuwad slave, and Kiran Rijiju ji is acting like a slave for Manuwad and Sarwarkarwad. These kind of people must apologize, and Amit Shah must come to the parliament and apologize.
You have also given an adjournment motion. What's and how will be the Congress strategy inside and outside the parliament over Ambedkar's remarks?
Today we had a MP's meeting in the morning also, and India Alliance partners under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi ji and Kharge Sahab and Yadav ji and Priyanka ji and T.R. Balu ji, we had a demonstration. We asked for the apology of Mr. Amit Shah. Amit Shah must come to parliament apologize for insulting Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
Mr. Tagore, lastly, Jyotiraj Scindia has taken a jibe at the Congress party yesterday. He had made some remarks. He has stated that the India Alliance partners had cornered the Congress party. Congress को अब नींद से जाग जाना चाहिए.
पहले महाराज का नींद से जागना चाहिए और बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का अमित शाह ने अपोलोजाइज किया. इसके लिए सिंधिया जी क्या बोल रहे हैं पहले?
Well, speaking to NDTV.